Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So, I've been looking for a 4K webcam. Now, do you really need a 4K webcam? Probably not, or not yet at this point, but figured why not? I've seen some other ones. Some of the footage looks really great from the ones that I have seen, but finding some third party or kind of no name brand 4K webcams has proven to be a little bit hard. Probably because I guess maybe the need for it just right now is not that great. But I did find one actually by the company Looca, Looca, that's the brand of it. And it says it's a webcam 4K, 8 megapixels, microphone, PC, all that fun stuff, USB, has a privacy shutter built in. Now, some of these ones that I've seen promoted, just like some of the action cams out there, they say 4K, but then when you get them hooked up, they're actually not 4K. But this one does say 4K all over it. It says 4K Ultra HD, video call, privacy cover, all this stuff. When I look at the resolution, it does say that it's 4K. Now, some of the 4K cameras that are out there for webcams can sell over 100, 150, 200 plus dollars. This one's selling on Amazon for 70 bucks. The link is below if you want to check it out yourself. So another quick features about this, it says there's a dual microphone, supposedly comes with a tripod stand, and we're going to check that out as I look in the box. And let's see if anything else kind of stands out here as well. It says the full support resolution is 3840 by 2160, also has 1920 by 1080. So you can use it with Skype, also I guess stream it to YouTube, places like that. Really looking forward. It says HDR and H.264 video compression technology. Okay, well, this video we're going to check to see actually what's in the box. So let's go ahead and do that. And make sure to like, subscribe, click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything that I do. And we'll actually demo it and test it out to see if it actually does what it's supposed to, how it works with the features they mentioned, and if you should buy it or not, right? So here it is. This is how it ships. Just says webcam, does not say 4K on there at all, besides the little sticker. It says webcam 4K. So in the box, I'm gonna open it up. Very cool here. All right, so we do have a little tripod. It's got one of those little flexible legs to it. Kind of looks like something out of one of those crazy alien movies. We got that as a little tripod head on there. So that's kind of cool. So what that's telling me is this will actually have a tripod screw on it, which is also really great on the webcam itself. Plenty long USB cable. And here is the webcam. Go ahead and look at that right there. It's pretty decent size to it. And then we have this where it can sit on top of the monitor, and you can tilt this whichever way you need to, or you could close it up and screw it into the tripod base here, or if you have another tripod, that would work perfectly. And then it does say it has a privacy screen. If I take that off, let's see if there's a privacy screen on there. Not that I see right there. There is a little play. It looks like a little play record button on top. I'll have to find out actually what that does. But this says model W8A 8 megapixel webcam. Okay, so there's that. Let's see what else we got in here. Anything else? Not too much. Here is the little privacy thing. A little tiny bag if I can actually open this up. It's kind of hard to do. And then, so that's what you're going to want to put on there. And that should just snap in place. So that's going to keep it private. And then you can you slide it? No, you would have, it doesn't want to slide. So you would have to just pop it off whenever you want to. Oh, actually, you know what? I see what it does. So you can see it like that, and then it actually flips up, just like that, and then flips down. So you connect it on, and you can flip it as needed. So that's pretty cool. That's nice. And then we do have the instruction manual right here. No software that it comes with that I see in the box. Maybe it mentions what you can use with it. It does say user manual 4K. So pretty cool. Recording resolution 3840 by 2160. Okay, we're gonna try. We're gonna see actually if this records in 4K. So make sure to look for that video coming up soon. Again, this is the Looca 4K webcam, and I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and click that little bell icon like I told you before. And just to make things clear, hey, listen, I'm not paid by these companies to do this. Sometimes they provide products, sometimes I pick up products myself, but the opinion, the review, the unboxing is all my own. I'm not paid to do it. They say that they get to see the video the same time that you get to see it. It's all about transparency, folks, right? So enjoy.